RS Hydro is a solutions-based company. What this means is that we'll sit with our clients and we'll discuss the issues that they are having until we have a solution for them. We do all things water, whether that's flow, sampling, or even just water quality. We will go through it all until we have a solution for our clients. As a company, we have several different avenues that we can take to help our clients get the solutions that they need. One of the ways that we can do this is through our hire fleet. Our hire fleet ranges from simple, nice level sensors all the way through to auto samplers. One of the best examples of this is our PT fleet. Not only is it one of the largest in the UK, but we also utilize it for on-site calibrations where we send our engineers to site to calibrate other flow meters for our clients. We can also send them to sites for our clients to use themselves. It is an extremely versatile piece of equipment.